Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 16 of Microsoft Word tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to align paragraphs and justify paragraphs inside of Microsoft Word. So here I have a Microsoft Word document and you can see that everything is by default flushed to the left over here. So you can see that, and to see that just click on one of the paragraphs and you can see that it is flushed left. So now what I want to do is I want to center align this. So if you were to click this, you can see the paragraph has been center aligned, and if I were to click this, it has been right aligned, and if I were to click this, it actually justifies, which gives me a flush effect just like this. So now by default this is left aligned. So what I want to do is I want to center align this. I can also go on to the left and click on the an empty space. The line will be selected and you can center align this, and you can also select this one. Let's say I want this to be center aligned and I want this one over here to be right aligned, just like this. And over here in all of these, I just want to select all of the paragraphs. So I'm going to click and drag it, and you can see that all of the paragraphs are selected now, and now I can simply justify this, and you can see that this gives me a very good effect just like this. So you can see that this is how you can align paragraphs onto the left, center and right, and justify paragraphs for a more even look. So this will help you prepare documents much more easily. So this is how you can justify and align paragraphs inside of Microsoft Word. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.